Congratulations on the purchase of your SmartFill Gen 3 fuel management system. This short video will take you through the first steps of setting up your fuel management website. But before beginning the process of setting up your website, you need to spend a few moments to decide on the operational aspects of your system. The two major decisions are: how would you like to identify vehicles and plant within your system? And how would you like to identify drivers within your system? By far, the most popular system is to have vehicles and plant identified by RFID fobs and for drivers to access the system by use of a personal identification number, PIN. This way, the vehicle and driver collecting the fuel are both recorded for every transaction. This is how we will set up our system now. On delivery, your SmartFill package should contain your SmartFill serial number and security code to set up the website. This information is in a large white envelope inside the box that contained the SmartFill unit. Just open up any web browser and type the address www.fmtdata.com/new and you will be taken to the product registration page. If this is your first time setting up SmartFill, click No to be taken to the sign up page. Type in the unit serial number and the security code and you will be taken to the company registration page. Have a read through our terms and conditions before proceeding. Fill in the company registration details. This will assign your SmartFill unit to your company to allow you to easily centralize your reporting and add more SmartFill units in the future. Fill in the admin registration details. The site administrator is able to create other users for the website and even to select them as administrators so they can also have full control over the website. After admin registration, you will be taken to your website. When you log into the website for the first time, the default page is the transactions page. This is a page that is designed to walk you through each part of the SmartFill website and enable you to utilize as many features as possible. The first thing everybody wants to do is to add their vehicles to the system. Click on Add on the left-hand side and select Vehicle Information to access the vehicle page. Before going any further, it's time to decide what vehicle information you would like to be included in each transaction. Click on the Edit Columns button to have a look at what information can be entered and stored. The items at the top are what will be shown on the vehicle page and reports. You may move columns between both lists by dragging with the mouse or just click the plus. You may also reorder the chosen columns on the top to change the order in which they are displayed. Now it is time to enter vehicle details. To go back to the main vehicle page, click on the back arrow. On the main vehicle page, select Add Vehicle. The input type is key or code. Key means the RFID fob, and code means inputting the PIN into the keypad. After this, enter the fob identification code or the desired PIN. Then, a description of the vehicle. And finally, the registration of the vehicle. Add any further information that you set up previously and then click Add to finish the process. You should be returned to the vehicle view and your new vehicle will be listed. Adding drivers to the system is just as easy as adding vehicles. To access the driver display, click on Add to the left-hand side of the page, then select Driver Information. As with the vehicles, now is the time to decide what information you want to be collected about your drivers. Click on Edit Columns or go to the column page to set up the driver display. As with vehicles, the display section at the top of the page and columns may be moved between both lists by dragging with the mouse. The columns may also be moved within the top list to change the display order. Once you are happy with the display list, go back to the driver view by clicking the back arrow. To add a new driver, click on the Add Driver button. Confirm the input type. Add the required code and the driver name, and add any further information that you set up previously, and click Add to finish the process. To review your transactions, go to the Transactions page by clicking on Transactions on the menu bar. As with vehicles and drivers, you may customize the layout of the transactions information you want displayed by accessing the columns page and moving the columns between the two lists or up and down. We have now come to the end of this short introductory video. By now, you should be ready to use your SmartFill. There is more information about using your SmartFill unit which can be accessed through the help page of your website. And keep an eye out for further information videos.